manufacturing is taking raw materials and creating a tangible product. We like to stay up with the trends in industry, so we're always adjusting our programs to keep up with the fast pace of a changing technology. We train you in a job shop environment, which helps prepare you for a job in an atmosphere, an environment that's very similar to industry.
The instructors are very knowledgeable and they're easy to work with. They will work with you at your own pace in order for you to learn what is needed for you to get into the industry.
I'm really interested in the program. I love to work with my hands and work with machinery, and we're building parts for other machines. I just love it.
Students coming out of our programs are landing jobs. Honeywell, Raytheon, Boeing, General Dynamics. We go out of our way to make sure the students are prepared for industry, and we're always making sure that we're on track and we keep the students' interests at heart. We're here to help them and support them in their pathway. Industry is calling us, burning up the phones, looking for qualified candidates, and that's what we're here to do, is make sure that our candidates and our students are work ready. If you successfully get through this program, you're going to go to work.